Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to show you how to use the new representative hydrocarbon fuels that we have introduced in Phast and Safeti version 9.0. To view the materials that we have introduced, go to the Materials tab, and within the Materials folder, right-click, go to Insert, and then select Component. If you sort the materials by cast number, you will see that we have introduced several different hydrocarbon fuels to be used by the users. So if we are to choose kerosene, for example, you will see that the physical and the chemical properties or chemical data are already pre-populated for you. And then you can start using this in your modeling. If, for example, you're interested in LPG or naphtha, for example, then go to the Materials folder, go to Insert, and then click Mixture. And then you select Existing System Mixture from the list below, and then you can either select LPG or naphtha, depending on the material that you're interested to model. By selecting a material and then clicking OK, you will then add this within your materials list. We hope you find this video useful. Thank you!